The most entertaining DUI arrest isn't the one where the suspect can't stand up. It's the one where she's articulate enough to argue.
Sit in the car, or I'm gonna put you. Sit in the car, or I'm gonna put you in the car.
I'm sitting in the car.
She's impaired enough to fail.
Cool.
And somehow still surprised when the handcuffs come out. Officers responded to a Florida parking lot after a vehicle struck a marked police cruiser. The driver stepped out in a club outfit and it went downhill from there. I recognize this right off the bat. This is Ybor City. This is kind of like the party district of Tampa, and it's an October night, about 11. Things are probably just warming up.
I guess I wasn't paying attention.
Everything on that day.
I was thinking.
Who's writing that crash report? Hang on 1 second. Hey, who's writing the crash report? How much damage are you guys putting for the vehicles?
That's what we were just talking about.
So are we writing the crash report on this, or what's the decision from there? I just need to know because it'll affect how I move forward. Okay. If you're not going to write one, that's fine on my end. I don't care. For me, it doesn't matter.
He just needs to know how to proceed. This could be DUI with property damage or DUI if it comes to an arrest.
I mean, that's it. Figure it out. Yeah. Just let me know.
How much is BMW paying? Not necessarily.
No crash, sir. No crash. All right. Who's got her ID? Yes, I got it. Okay. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
I'm finding yourself.
What's your first name?
Elsie.
Elsie. Okay. There's an officer bar, Tampa Police Department, obviously. These officers called me here because they concerned maybe you had something to drink tonight.
That was probably maybe more than 2 hours ago.
Oh, was it?
Yes.
What did you have?
I took maybe half a beer.
Probably maybe a half a beer 2 hours ago. This guy's a DUI professional. That's what he does for a living, DUI investigations. And he's able to tell that this is not a probably maybe a half a beer 2 hours ago, but we'll see what happens.
That was it?
That was it.
Okay. Are you on any medication?
No, sir.
Okay. Do you mind stepping out for me?
Yep.
Come on over here. You have anything like physically wrong with you? Like
Nope.
Any injuries?
Nope.
Wrong with like your legs, your back, your knees?
Nope.
And you said you're not on any medications
No,
right
sir.
now? That's perfectly healthy then.
I'm healthy. I have anxiety, but besides that, I'm good.
You on medication for that?
Not tonight. I only take it when needed.
So are we doing a DUI investigation on Catwoman?
Wear contacts?
I wear glasses.
Can you stand with your feet together like this, arms down at your side? What I'd like to do is begin by checking your eyes as part of some field sobriety exercises. Okay. You see the red light here in front of you?
Absolutely.
What I want you to do is follow that light with your eyes, keeping your head still as I move that light back and forth, okay? Keep your head still.
I'm trying to decide if this is a low-cut blouse or just really high-cut pants.
Try to keep your head still? Okay. There's a couple other exercises I'd like you to do, okay? You willing to do those for me?
Absolutely.
All right, come on down here. So we'll use this white line right here as a line to walk down.
Okay.
I'm going to give you some instructions. I'll show you how to do it.
Okay.
And then after I do all of that, you can ask questions, okay? I just prefer you don't ask questions while I'm giving the instructions because it's kind of hard for me to stop, all right? So while I'm doing all of that, what I would like you to do is stand with your left foot at the very beginning of the line. Then take your right foot, place it in front of your left foot so it touches heel to toe. Make sure both feet are on the line and one directly in front of the other. Place your arms to your side. Now don't begin walking until I tell you to start, okay?
Okay.
So when I tell you to, I want you to take 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud as you walk down the line.
Okay.
Turn around and then walk back down the line. 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud.
Okay.
So your first step will be number 1, and each step needs to be heel-to-toe like this. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay.
On your 9th step, I want you to leave your front foot on the line. Remove only your back foot, taking a series of small steps to complete a turn, just like this. And then you walk back down the line, 9 heel-to-toe steps, counting your steps out loud. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9.
Okay, so straight down, slowly turn, come down.
Exactly.
Count out loud.
Exactly. So,
Is this one or is the next one?
so your first step will be number 1.
That's actually a very good question.
This one?
Your first step will be number 1.
Okay.
Okay. So while you do
But it also made her trip a little bit on the line.
this, I'd like you to look at your feet as you walk. Count your steps out loud, keeping your arms down to your side just like this. Don't stop walking until you've completely finished this. Okay. Do you have any other questions?
No. Straight down, slow turn, back to you, no questions.
Okay. You can begin then if you understand.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Load. Boom. 1.
Boom does not count as a step, but very clever. She's having to correct her balance with booms.
2, 3, 4.
Speaking of booms, it just kind of reminds me of like a large construction crane with a big counterbalance in the back. I don't know why.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay. Next, what I want you to do is stand with your feet together, arms down to your side. You can forget about this line. We're not going to use it, okay? I don't want you to do anything until I tell you right now, okay? I'm just going to show you how to do this and explain everything. Okay. So when I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg. Doesn't matter which one. I'm going to raise my left leg just because that's what I like to do. Raise it so it's about 6 inches off of the ground. Point your toe straight out. Look at that foot and count out loud. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay? Make sure you keep both legs straight. Don't bend them at the knee. And if you put your foot down, just pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off.
You want me to balance right now?
Yeah. Is that a problem?
No, we're working out.
Well, you see me doing it.
You're a cop.
Doesn't mean anything.
Let's do it.
You're a cop. That is quite possibly the worst answer I've ever heard. Well, you're a cop. Does that mean we have better balance? Or like, I'm not getting where she's getting that from. And no, this is not working out. This is the standard field sobriety exercises that everybody else is subject to.
All right.
All right.
Do you have any questions on how to do it?
No, you just told me raise the leg so you count. If I put my leg down, stop. So you tell me keep counting.
Well, if you put your foot down, I want you to pick it back up and continue counting from where you left off, and you do that all on your own. Okay.
Okay. 1001. You want me to count by 1,000?
Yeah, 1001, 1002,
Okay.
etc. Yep. Any other questions?
Nope.
Okay. And begin when you're ready.
Okay. 1001.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1000.
Make sure you're looking at your foot.
1013, 1014, 1015, 1016, 1017, 1018, 1019.
All right, you can stop. Go ahead and put your foot down. Put your arms around your back.
What am I doing with this?
DUI.
For what?
Driving under the influence.
What am I being arrested for? DUI. For what? Driving under the influence. Awesome. So they were watching her sway a little bit as she's counting, and hips don't lie.
Do you have anything?
Literally doing my coding today.
Well, you did the exercises. You just didn't perform them how I asked you to. There's a lot of clues of impairment that I observed during that. Leads me to believe you've been drinking a lot more than you're telling me. When we get down to the jail, I am going to ask you to do a breath test. Are you willing to do that?
Nope.
All right, come on. You don't have anything hidden on you, do you?
No.
Okay. Do you carry anything? Do you carry anything in your top? Any
No,
cash?
please.
Okay, just making sure.
There was not even. Y'all are driving.
There's not a lot of room to carry anything in that top, to be honest. You'd probably see it, like a snake swallowing a mouse.
Okay.
Just stand right here. Just face the car. You can relax your arms. She's good searching, just like okay.
No, there's really nothing up there.
I know, we gotta make sure.
I'm gonna get the passenger out there. All right.
No, don't impound my car. There's people in there. They can drive it. No, don't
The
do
car
that.
is in your name. We don't have a choice.
But I have
We have a
people
policy.
in there. I don't even live over here. Like,
I'm trying to explain.
that was a whole accident.
You want to hear what I have to say or not?
No, because
Okay.
why you want to impound my car for what?
If she's more worried about the car and the impoundment than she is the DUI, I don't know that she's learning her lesson here, but I guess that's not our job.
Like, there's people in the car that can literally take my car where it needs to go. Like, you guys are doing extra. I barely even bumped that damn car. I've been more than
Okay, come on back here.
respectful. No, because I've been more than respectful. And
You have. I appreciate that.
I don't know, but can we talk?
Yeah, we can.
No.
Well, you said you didn't want to hear what I had.
Can we talk is a negotiation, and this is not a negotiation, unfortunately. Something tells me, and I'm not quite sure what it is, that she's used to negotiating her way out of things, or she's probably particularly good at negotiating and usually comes out on the better end. But on this one, I don't think it's going to work.
Say.
Well, now let's listen to it, because there's no way. I don't even live over here, and
Okay,
you're
have a
going to have them impound my car.
We have to by our policy.
But
we
there's
can't release.
people here.
I'm trying to tell you. I'm trying to tell
And
you.
there's
something.
no.
Have a seat. You don't want to listen to
I'm
me.
not. Right now.
Don't get an attitude.
I have an attitude. No, because you know what? I've been.
Sit in the
No,
car.
I've been being-
Sit in the car. Or I'm
I'm
gonna
in
put
the car.
you. Sit in the car, or I'm going to put you in the car.
I'm sitting in the car.
No.
And
In
I'm
the
trying to
seat.
have a
In the
conversation.
seat.
No, I'm trying to have.
Stand up. We're going to put you in this car if you don't listen.
She's trying to have a conversation, but she's not in control of what happens. She doesn't dictate that. There's a little principle known as ATM, ask, tell, make. I'm going to ask you to get in the car. I'm going to tell you to get in the car. I'm going to make you get in the car. You don't have to be rough about it or manhandle, but let's see how she reacts.
I'll catch another charge. Catch another charge for what?
Battery.
Battery for what? I haven't touched none of you guys.
Your
And
leg
it's on
out.
camera.
She tried to kick him. I think he's more than gracious just to grab her foot.
I'll go see if she has any like wallet or phone.
Yeah.
Here's her ID if you need it.
Yeah.
This is her purse. I'm just gonna go through it.
I won't take the whole purse. Just credit cards. Nothing else. Credit card and cash. Nothing else. I got counted. It's all on bodycam. Yep. Alrighty. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you.
Okay.
Oh, if you would, yeah, you're not gonna be able to talk to her right now.
To get her date of birth?
She's not cooperative with us, so I'm nothing against you.
No,
but,
yeah, I understand.
I just don't want her to get hyped up again. Okay. Whoever had contact with her or whatever, just do a supplement for me, please, on the report. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I have it in a bag. What's that?
Where's my car? So I can have somebody pick it up.
I don't know yet. I'll write it down for you as soon as they send me the info. 672-1097-8052.
Hi, Gracie.
You'll have a bond.
Did they give you my purse?
Yeah.
Can I call my attorney?
Yeah, when you get inside, you can. Yeah. So I know you said you didn't want to take the breath test.
I'm not going to.
All right. I do have to read you something by law. Okay. So if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, your driving privilege will be suspended for a period of 1 year for a first refusal, or 18 months if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood.
Talking over him while he's trying to read this implied consent is the equivalent of sticking your fingers in the ear and yelling la 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 while somebody's talking. If you don't want to hear it, you don't have to hear it, but you shouldn't be talking over it because it's not going to be a defense for you when you act like you didn't know that this was a punishment. He's reading it clear as day, and he's not being a jerk. He's just literally reading it off of his computer screen.
They had a female booking. Thanks. So the second portion of this is, additionally, if you refuse to take the test I've requested of you, and if your driving privilege has been previously suspended for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor, in addition to any other penalties which can be imposed by law. So refusing to submit to testing is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding.
Go ahead and get me in here so I can find out.
Okay, you understand your license. You understand your license is going to be suspended for a year. Okay.
She is definitely used to calling the shots.
Now, if you would just stand right here for me. All right, see the doors right here to your right? We'll walk right there. I've got it. I didn't bring your own purse, so I'll use credit like that. Got your cash too. We don't leave that kind of stuff in the car.
Well, that's it. Sometimes it's all about that base, but there's trouble. The outfit was ready for the club. Unfortunately, it's not going to get her the attention that she's looking for when she's sitting in jail. Make sure to hit subscribe for more body cam breakdowns, and if you want to see the surprise resolution to a domestic call, watch this video right here.